Hello everyone, welcome to this series on synopsis and summaries of famous literary works. And in this video, we are going to discuss Oedipus at Colonus by Sophocles. Introduction. Oedipus at Colonus, written by Sophocles, dramatizes the final chapter of the tragic hero Oedipus's life. This play is a poignant exploration of redemption, fate, and the interplay between divine will and human agency. Through Oedipus's transformation from a disgraced beggar to a powerful figure capable of bestowing blessings, Sophocles delves into themes of suffering, wisdom, and justice, ultimately highlighting Oedipus's mythic significance for Athens. Key characters: Oedipus, the former king of Thebes, now a blind and exiled beggar seeking refuge in Colonus. Antigone, Oedipus's loyal daughter who guides and supports him throughout his exile. Ismene, Oedipus's other daughter who brings news from Thebes. Theseus, the wise and just king of Athens who offers protection to Oedipus. Creon, Oedipus's brother-in-law and ruler of Thebes who seeks to exploit Oedipus's presence. Polynices, Oedipus's elder son who seeks his father's blessing to reclaim the throne of Thebes. Plot overview. The play opens with Oedipus and Antigone arriving at Colonus, a sacred grove near Athens, learning they are on holy ground dedicated to the Eumenides or Furies. Oedipus requests the presence of Theseus, the king of Athens. Ismene arrives, informing Oedipus that his sons Polynices and Eteocles are at war, and Creon wants Oedipus back in Thebes to secure a favorable outcome for the city. Oedipus refuses and, with Theseus' support, rebuffs Creon's attempts to take him by force. Polynices arrives, seeking Oedipus's blessing for his campaign against Thebes. Oedipus curses him for telling that he and Eteocles will kill each other in battle. As thunder signals his impending death, Oedipus leads Theseus and his daughters to a hidden part of the grove. Only Theseus witnesses Oedipus's mysterious end, after which Athens receives his blessing and protection. Major themes: fate and prophecy. The inevitability of destiny and the futility of resisting it is central to the play. Oedipus's final acceptance of his prophesied death at Colonus contrasts with his earlier attempts to escape fate. Guilt and redemption. Oedipus's journey from guilt and remorse to atonement and peace underscores the possibility of redemption through suffering and acceptance. Old age, wisdom, and death. The play reflects on the wisdom that can come with age and the acceptance of morality, as Oedipus's suffering leads him to a deeper understanding of life and death. Justice. Oedipus's search for justice, both for his past actions and against the injustices done to him, highlights the importance of fairness and the rule of law as embodied by Theseus and Athens. Important symbols. The Grove of the Furies represents atonement and peace. Oedipus's presence there signifies his acceptance and the end of his suffering. Thunder and lightning symbolize divine intervention and the imminent fulfillment of prophecy, making Oedipus's transition from moral suffering to mythic significance. Blindness reflects both literal and metaphorical insight. Oedipus's physical blindness contrasts with his inner vision and wisdom gained through suffering. The role of the chorus. The chorus in Oedipus at Colonus consists of the elder citizens of Colonus. They serve multiple functions, providing background information, reflecting the moral and social values of the community, and reacting to the unfolding events. They express fear, sympathy, and reverence, helping the audience interpret the play's themes and moral questions. Conclusion and legacy. Oedipus at Colonus is a profound exploration of human suffering, divine will, and the potential for redemption. Through Oedipus's transformation and final act of bestowing blessings, Sophocles presents a nuanced view of fate and justice. The play's themes of guilt, wisdom, and the search for peace resonate deeply, offering timeless insights into the human condition. As part of the Theban trilogy, it cements Oedipus's legacy as a tragic hero whose story transcends personal tragedy to touch upon universal truths about life, suffering, and redemption. So this was the discussion on the play Oedipus at Colonus, written by Sophocles. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other work. Until then, goodbye and thank you.